Hey guys, not sure if you ever run across these, but I always run across them once in a while. Rusted old bolts that never come off. What happened was it snapped off, and now we're trying to get it out of this. It's an adjuster for the power steering pump. So you're just gonna get this real nice and hot, and I use what's called Deep Creep seafoam stuff. Works really good. So you're gonna get it nice and hot, then you're gonna spray this stuff right in there. Lighter on fire if you want. It's nice and hot. We're hoping to break this loose, right? So let's see if it will come loose here. Fortunately, I busted my vise. That's where I would put this if I had a working vise. So heat it some more until eventually it comes out. We'll stop the video now.